The retainer is part of your small engine starter assembly. The retainer fits over and supports the starter pawl. In some failures of the starter, the retainer can hang up and be bent. Replacing the retainer is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the starter assembly from the engine. With the starter removed, now I can begin to disassemble it. First, I need to get the tension off of the spring. To do that, I'll remove the starter handle so I can release the rope. I'll untie the knot. Remove the handle, and then allow the rope to recoil back into the starter. That removes the tension from the spring. Now I'll remove the screw in the center of the starter that holds it all together. In this case, the screw is a reverse thread. Now I can remove the retainer, the spring, the pawl, and the pulley. Now I need to remove the rope from the pulley for reinstallation. Now I'll install the pulley back into the housing. As I do this, I need to make sure that I hook the spring onto the post inside the housing. Now I can reinstall the pawl. I'll reinstall the spring. Now I can install the new retainer. You'll notice there's two notches on either side of the pawl. The legs on the retainer fit into those notches. Then I'll secure everything with the screw, and remember it is a reverse thread. Next, I'll tension the spring and reinstall the rope. I rotate the pulley counterclockwise to put tension onto the spring. Probably about 6 or 7 turns. Then I'll align the hole for the rope in the pulley with the hole in the side of the housing. I'll insert the rope through the opening in the pulley and feed it out through the side of the housing. Next, I'll tie a knot in the center of the rope so it doesn't recoil back into the starter housing. Then I can reinstall the handle. With the handle reinstalled, I'll untie the knot and allow the rope to recoil all the way into the housing. And I'll finish by reinstalling the starter. And that's how you can replace the retainer in your small engine starter. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.